Hello Standard 9th. Today we will start new exercise, that is exercise 6b. This exercise is based on basically on the method of elimination by equating coefficients. Today we will do sums of this exercise. So we start with second question. Here two equations are given. So we number them equation 1 and equation 2. Can you write straight away 2? If you write 2, then you have to compare the coefficient of either of the variable. So first of all, what we will do, we take LCM of this equation. LCM is 12. You can take together, otherwise take one part, solve it and then cross multiply. It is up to you. 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4x. 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3y is equal to, if you take below 1, then 12 4s are 48. So what is the equation? 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. Means we have here these two equations. Now which method we are following? Elimination by equating coefficients. Means you have to equate. Equate means you have to make them equal. If you take these two equations here, coefficient of x is 4, here 3. And here y is having which coefficient? 3, here it is minus 1. If you want to make x equal, the coefficient of x equal, then you have to take their LCM. 4 and 3, their LCM is 12. That means this equation you have to multiply by 3, another one by 4. Or if you want to equate coefficient of y, then here it is 3, here it is 1. Their LCM will be 3. So if we multiply first equation by 3 and second equation by 1, then coefficient of y will be same. So we write here, multiply equation first by 3 or with 3, it is your wish, you can write by 3 or with 3, and second with 1 or by 1, it's your wish. So if you multiply this full equation, you have to multiply this full equation. We are talking about equation, we are not talking about only of the variable. So when you multiply this full equation by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 9x. Here 3 1s are 3, y equal 23 into 3, 69. Now this equation, when we multiply any number with 1, what will come? Same term will come. So here it will give us 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. After making the coefficient same, what we will do? We have to see the sign in front of these terms. No? If both have the same sign, means both are positive or both are negative, then we subtract them. Okay. If one is negative, one is positive, we will not see the coefficient, the sign of the term which we are not cancelling. We are eliminating y from here. That's why you have to see the sign which is in front of y. If you want to eliminate x, then you have to see the sign in front of the coefficient of x. Okay. Now here we are eliminating y. So positive, negative means one is in plus, one is in minus. What we will do? We add. When you add, that time we will not change any sign. Here. 9 plus 4, 13x. Minus 3 plus 3, it is cancelled. Nothing will come. Here 117. So what will be x? 117 upon 13. So value of x is 9. So one answer is here. Now this 9, value of x, which is 9, you can substitute in 1 or you can substitute in 2. So we substitute in 1. Substitute. Value of x is equal to 9. in equation first. So 3 into x you have to substitute as 9 minus y is 23. 9 3s are 27. This we bring this side is equal to y, because y here it is was minus, come here in plus. What will come? Y is 4, and this is the second answer. Like this you can calculate value of x and y, by which method? By elimination of equating coefficient of any of the variable. Now we will do question number 6. In this question, two equations are given. First of all, we will solve them, make it in a simple form, and then we find value of x and y by elimination method of equating coefficient. So here, if you take this equation, then x minus y is equal to this 6 will go this side and get multiplied with 2. 6 into 2. Okay. Now x minus y is equal to 6 2s are 12. That 12 get multiplied with both the term. 12 4s are 48 minus 12x. Now this x term bring this side. X plus 12x minus y is 48. And what is the first equation? 13x minus y is 48. This is equation 1. Similarly, we solve this equation also. 2x plus y is equal to 3 get multiplied with both the terms. 3x, 3 4s are 12. So 2x plus y minus 3x is minus 12, and equation is minus 3x plus 2x. What we will get? We get minus 1x plus y is minus 12. This is equation second. Now you have to equate the coefficients. You can see here y, both are having same coefficient. Here also 1y, here also 1y. So no need to multiply. If you want to cancel x first, that time you have to multiply this equation by 13, because here it is 13. Okay. So from equation first and second, 13x minus y is 48 minus x plus y is minus 12. Again, both the terms are having here opposite sign, so we will add them. If they have same sign, that time we have to subtract, and we have to change here whatever terms are there, their sign also, symbol also you have to change. So 13x minus 1x is 12x. This is cancelled. 48 minus 12, 36. So what will be x then? 36 over 12, and value of x is 3. Now substitute this value in first or in second. Substitute. Value of x is equal to 3 in equation second. Minus x. Minus x. Minus is already there. What is x? 3. Plus y is minus 12. So minus 3 plus y is minus 12. Minus 3 will go that side in plus. So what will be the value of y? It is minus 9. Like this you can find out value of x and y, and this is the solution. Now question number 9. In this question you can see in the statement 9th and 10th question, they both are with the same method. Coefficient of x and coefficient of y here. This coefficient of x of first equation and coefficient of y of second equation, they are same. Similarly here 11 and 11. If like this there are two methods. One, to make them same, you multiply it by 11, this by 13 and equate them and subtract or add, you get the answer. Second one, no need to multiply. What you will do? First you add both the equations, you get one more equation. Again subtract the previous equations to get one more and equate them. Let us see how. This is equation first, this is second. Add equation first and second. When you add, what you will get here? You can write it again here to add. We are adding. The time of adding we didn't change the sign. Okay. What we will do now here? Add them. 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 2 and here x. Here 3, 1, 4, 1, 1, 2 y. Here 144. Now what is common here? 24. X plus y is 144. So what will be x plus y? 144 upon 24. 6. Need to learn tables, okay? X plus y is 6. This is equation 3. Now again take first and second equation. Now we will subtract them. Again from equation first and second, 13x plus 11y is 70. 11x plus 13y is 74. This is 70. Now we have to subtract them. Earlier what we did? We have added them. When you subtract them, I told you, you have to change the sign of the below one. Here plus 11 minus. Here also minus and here also minus. Now when we solve these two equations, we will not take these signs earlier one. We will consider the changed one sign. 13x minus 11x. What will come? 2x. Here minus 2y and here minus 4. So what will come now? 2 is common. X minus y is equal to minus 4. So what is x minus y? Minus 4 over 2. So x minus y is minus 2. This is equation 4. Now we take this equation 3rd and equation 4th to find the value of x and y. You can see no need to multiply any term already. They have the same coefficient. So from equation 3rd and 4th, x plus y is 6. Here x1 minus y is minus 2. Already opposite sign, we add them and no need to change the sign. It is cancelled. X and x, what becomes? 2x. Here 6 minus 2, 4. So what is x? 4 over 2. We reduce in lowest term. So x is 2. So one value we have done. Now substitute this x in 3rd or in 4th. Substitute. Value of x is equal to 2 in equation 3rd. X is 2 plus y is equal to 6. So what is y? 6 minus 2 and y is 4. Like this you can find value of x and y, and this is the. Now we will do question number 12. In this question, two equations are given. You have to solve both the equations to find value of x and y. Then that value you have to substitute to find value of 4x plus 6y and 8y minus x. So first of all, we take that equations. You can write it as 10y 7x minus 4. What you can write? 7 you can bring this side. Minus 7x plus 10y is equal to minus 4. This is equation 1. You can just write it like this. Second equation is 12x plus 18y is equal to 1. This is equation 2. So what you will do? You have to eliminate any of the variables. So we have to see their coefficient and then we have to make them equal. Here x is minus 7, here x is 12. And here y 10, and in second equation what is y? Y is given 18. So any of one variable you have to make same coefficient. So what we will do? If you take 12 and 7, this you have to multiply by 12, this you have to multiply by 7. And if you take 18 and 10, what is the LCM of 18 and 10? 90. And then again you have to multiply by 5 and this by 9. So we equate y. Here. Again I am telling you, you have to make these two numbers same. 18 and 10. So in rough you can find out the LCM of 18 and 10. Like this only you are finding out. 3 3s are 9 and 5. Further, they don't have any common number. So 5 3s are 15, 45 to 90. So LCM is 90. The same I told you. So you have to make both the coefficients equal to 90. So multiply equation first with 9 and second with 5. If you multiply by 9 here, all the three terms, 9. 9 sevens are 63. 9 tens are 90. 9 fours are 36. Okay. Second equation by 5 means these all terms by 5. 12 fives are 60. 18 fives are 90. 1 fives are 5. Now you can see here y is having same coefficient now. Both are positive means they are having the same sign now. So what we will do? We have to subtract. The time of subtraction what we have to do? We have to change the sign here. If plus then minus, if minus then it change into plus, and when you add them or whatever you will do for the step, you will consider the new symbols, not the previous one. So minus 63 and minus 60. Minus 123x. Okay, this is cancelled. Here minus 41. 36 plus 5. So minus cancel by minus. So what is x here? 41 upon 123. So x is 1 upon 3. One value we have calculated. Now this x we will substitute in either of the equation and find y. So we substitute in second. Substitute x is equal to 1 upon 3 in equation 2. So 12 into 1 upon 3 plus 18y is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12 because they are in product. So what comes? 4 plus 18y is 1. 18y is equal to 1 minus 4. 18y is minus 3. 1 minus 4 gives minus 3. And what is y? Minus 3 upon 18. Reduce them in lowest term. Both are divisible by 3. So what is y? Minus 1 over 6. So these two values, x and y. After this you have to find these further values. Therefore 4x plus 6y is equal to 4 into x 1 over 3 plus 6 into y minus 1 over 6. 4 ones are 4 upon 3 here. This 6 cancel because they are in product. So plus minus minus 1 over 1. Take LCM. 1 3s are 3, then 3 will come here. 1 upon 3. First answer. Okay. Now secondly you have to find value of 8y minus x. Therefore, our value of 8y minus x is equal to 8 into y. What is y? Minus 1 over 6 minus what is x? 1 over 3. We substitute the value first. Now they are in product. 2 3s are 2 4s. So minus 4 1s are 4 upon 3 minus 1 over 3. They both are like fractions. We can add and separate. Both are minus. So minus 4 plus 1. Otherwise like this you can write. And next step you can make them together. And this is the value of the second part. Okay. So here I tell you two equations are given. First of all you have to find value of x and y. Then substitute that values to find the further both the values, and this is the solution. Now question number 15. In this question two equations are given, but one is given in percentage form. You have to make it a simple form. 10% of x. Percent means out of 100. So 10 upon 100 of means multiply x plus 20% of y is equal to 24. You can reduce them in lowest term. So we get x over 10 plus y over 5 is 24. Further also you can solve. Take 10 LCM and solve, and then you get same as simple equation. No. LCM is 10. 10 ones are 10, so 1x. 5 twos are 10, 2 into y is 2y. If you are confused by taking LCM together and in next step we leave the LCM, some of the students they have confusion. So what you will do, you solve it like this and keep it equal to 24. Don't take together. Now when you cross multiply them, 1 multiply with both the terms, same term will come, and here 24 into 10 is 240. You can go by this method also. Okay. So this is equation first. Equation second is 3x minus y is equal to 20. This is equation second. You have to cancel any of one variable. If you want to cancel x, here it is 3, here it is 1. Then you have to multiply first equation by 3. It is already 3, and then you can compare. Otherwise here it is 2, here it is 1y. So you have to multiply this equation by 2 to make it 2. No? Yes. And like this you can equate them. Any of one. Okay? Multiply equation first with 3. 3 means table. Okay? Table of 3. and equation 2 with 1, because we are not changing it any change, or you can write it as usual. This whole you have to multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3x, 3 twos are 6y, 20, 240 and 3, or 24 3s are 72. So you can write here 720. 3x minus y is equal to 20. We will subtract or add. What we will do here? We have to subtract because both are having same sign. So subtract minus plus minus. This is cancelled. 6y plus 1y. I told you after changing the sign you have to take the new sign when you are adding or subtracting them. 6y plus 1y is 7y is equal to 700. 720 minus 20 is 700. What will come here? Y is equal to 700 upon 7. Reduce them in lowest term and value of y is 100. So, one value we have found. Now this value you have to substitute either in 1 or in 2. Substitute y is equal to 100 in equation first. X plus 2 into y, 2 into 100 is equal to 240. 2 into 100 means 200. So what will be x? 240 minus 200, and x is 40, and this is the value of x. Like this we are able to calculate both the values, and this is the answer. We will do 18th question. In these two equations are given. They are not in simple form. So first of all, by taking LCM we make them simple. So this part, if you take this equation here to here, this we are taking. So you can take collectively their LCM by taking 1 here, or you take this LCM side 1 left hand side and then cross multiply. It is up to you. If we take separately, LCM is 20. 5 4s are 20. 4 will be multiplied with 7 plus x. Then here minus 4 5s are 20. What we get? 5. 5 will be multiplied with 2x minus y is equal to 3y minus 5 upon 1. If those are having confusion, why they are taking collectively the LCM of both the sides, so better you take like this separate and then cross multiply them. It is up to you. Now 4 7s are 28, 4 1s are 4x, minus 5 2s are 10x, minus minus plus 5 1s are 5y. Okay, over 20 is equal to 3y minus 5 over 1. Now x terms together and y together. Minus 6x plus 5y plus 28 upon 20 is equal to 3y minus 5 over 1. Now cross multiply. Like this only you are doing. In 8 you had done, no? So same. When you multiply with 1, the same terms will come. And this side 20 will multiply with both the terms. 23s are 60, 25s are 100. So minus 6x plus 5y minus 60y is equal to minus 100 minus 28. Means numbers one side, x and y one side. Minus 6x minus 60 plus 5, 55, y minus 128. You can take minus common. 6x plus 55y is equal to minus 128. This minus is cancelled. So what is the equation? 6x plus 55y is equal to 128. Equation 1. Okay. Now we will solve second equation. Here LCM is 2 and 6. LCM is 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 multiply with 5y minus 7 plus 6 1s are 6. 1 multiply with 4x minus 3 is equal to 18 minus 5x over 1. Now multiply 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21. With 1, same term will come. And this 6 will multiply this side. 6 into 18 minus 5x. And here 1, same term will come. We done here 2 steps together. 15y plus 4x minus 24, minus 21 and minus 3, minus 24 is equal to 18 6 are 108 and 5 6 are 30x. So 15y plus 4x plus 30x is equal to 108 plus 24. 30 plus 4, 34x plus 15y is equal to 24 and 8, 32, 132. This is second equation. Now you can see we don't have any number to take common here also, in this also. What we will do? You can compare x or you can compare y. 34 and 6 if you compare. What will be the LCM of 34 and 6? This. Then 3 and 17, they are not having common factor, they both are prime even. So 17 3s are 51 2s are 102. LCM is 102. This number and this number. LCM is 102. To make this 6 102, we have to multiply it with which number? 17. And here with which number? Which number we will take here to multiply? 34 into 3. So multiply equation first by or with 17 and equation second by 3. If you multiply this full with 17, 17 6 are 102x plus 17 5s are 85, 8. Again 17 5s are 85, 85 and 8, 93. 935y is equal to 17 into 128. 17 8s are 136, 13, 17 2s are 34 and 13. What will come? 34, 35, 36, 37 plus 10, 47. So 7. Here 4. 13 ones are 13 and 4. So we will multiply with 17. 17 ones are 17 and 4, 21. I repeat, the full equation you have to multiply by 7. 17 into 6, 102. 17 into 55, 935. 17 into 128 is 2176. This equation you have to multiply by 3. 34 into 3, 102x. 15 into 3, 45. And here 3, 396. Now both are having same sign or opposite sign? They have same sign here. Both are positive. So we subtract and we change the sign here. This is cancelled. Now 5 minus 5, 0. 13 minus 4, 9 and 8. Y is equal to 6 minus 6, 0. 17 minus 9 is 8. 10 minus 3, 7 and 1. So what will be Y? So Y is equal to 780 upon 89. 890, not 89, 890. 0 cancel by 0. Then 1 here, 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, 1 17. So value of Y is 2. 1 we have calculated. Now we have to find out X. You can substitute here or there, that is up to you. Substitute Y is equal to 2 in equation first. 6x plus 55 into 2 is 128. 6x, when you multiply 55 with 2, what you will get? 110. 128 minus 110. 6x is 18. And what will be x then? 18 over 6, 3. And value of x is 3. Like this, we are able to calculate both the values of variables x and y. Now, time to note down the homework. Do remaining sums of exercise 6b on your remaining parts notebook.